friends and welcome back. Our today's topic is Tyndall effect. First of all, do you know what is meant by Tyndall effect? Yes, Tyndall effect, that means scattering of light. Whenever light beam passes through an particle containing media and light becomes visible. This is called as Tyndall effect. Tyndall इफेक्ट म्हणजे काय? ज्यावेळी पार्टिकल असलेल्या एखाद्या मीडियम मधून आपण लाईट बीम ज्यावेळी पास करतो त्यावेळी आपल्याला लाईट स्कॅटर झालेली दिसते आणि बीम सुद्धा आपल्याला क्लिअरली दिसत असतात. त्याला आपण Tyndall इफेक्ट असं म्हणतो. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, now let us pass light beam from a plain water. Here we can see there is no any scattering of light and light beam cannot be seen by this plain water. This is the milk solution. Whenever light beam passes through this milk solution, here is a complete scattering of light we can see here. That means there is a milk particle are present which does not get totally dissolved in this solution, but the size of particle is much enough to scattering of light. Here we can see completely scattering of light and also the beams of light. Okay, what we study in this topic, whenever light beam passes through a water solution, there is no any scattering of light. But whenever light beam passes through the homogeneous solution, that means salt solution, there is very few amount of light gets scattered or there is no any scattering of light. But whenever light beam passes through this suspensor, very few amount of scattering of light and observing of rays takes place. But whenever light rays passing through the colloidal solution, that means milk solution, huge amount of light gets scattered and beam of light can be observed very clearly. So, या आणि अशाच इनोव्हेटिव्ह आणि एक्सपेरिमेंट बेस्ड लर्निंग साठी आजच जॉईन करा इन्फिनिटी CBSE अकॅडमी शिफ्ट.